A very good morning, children. So, in our previous class, we started the concept of multiplying a binomial with a binomial. Okay, so today we are going to continue the same from exercise 9.4, first Roman fifth question. So, 2pq plus 3q square, it's a binomial having two terms. 3pq minus 2q square, even a binomial because it is carrying two terms separated by minus. So multiplication or the product. So 2pq plus 3q square, okay, product means multiplication. So bracket indicates 3pq minus 2q square. Okay, someone will write the symbol of multiplication in between, even that is also acceptable, nothing wrong in it. So first term is 2pq, so 2pq multiplied by second binomial 3pq minus 2q square. In the first binomial, the second term is plus 3q square, with which we have to multiply 3pq minus 2q square. 3pq minus 2q square. So which gives, first the numbers, 2 into 3 gives us 6, p into p, p square, q into q, q square. Okay, so p into p term, p square, q into q term, q square. Now plus into minus, minus, multiplication numbers, 2 into 2, 4. Here p we have, but there is no p term, you can directly write that p. Q into q square gives us q cube. Okay, q into q square, q cube. Done with the first multiplication. Plus into plus gives us plus 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9. Q square into q, because we don't have p term, here we have p term, write that p term as it is. Q square into q gives us q cube. Plus into minus is minus. 3 into 2 gives us 6. Q square into q square, it is q power 4. Okay, q square into q square gives us q power 4. Yes. Apart from this term and this term, these two are like terms, isn't it? Minus 4p q cube plus 9p q cube. p q cube, p q cube, both are like terms. So we can simplify them. The other terms, 9p, 6p square q square, minus 4p q cube plus 9p q cube. It gives us plus 5p q cube. 5p q cube. And the leftover term is minus 6 q power 4. Please be careful, children. Don't stop the process here. If you see any terms of like terms, you have to simplify them and then only you have to stop the answer. Okay, hope you are clear with this. Now I am going to solve sixth one of this. Please check the board. Now the sixth one, children. So the given binomials are 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square and 4 into a square minus 2 by 3b square. Here if you observe, a monomial is going to be multiplied by a binomial. So first we have to multiply the binomial with monomial, then we have to do the regular process. That means, so 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square, 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square, we don't have any problem with this, and multiply this 4 into a square, 4a square, 4 into a square, 4a square, plus into minus, minus 4 into 2 by 3, 8 by 3 b square. First we have to multiply these terms, then we'll get a clear-cut binomial. Now the regular process. So 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square to be multiplied by 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square. 8 by 3 b square. So the first term is 3 by 4 a square here. So 3 by 4 a square to be multiplied by 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square. Okay, the first term with the complete second binomial, plus 3b square multiplied by 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square. 8 by 3 b square. Now check the board carefully. Okay, being a bit complicated calculation, let us write the individual terms first. Numbers 3 by 4 into 4. 3 by 4 into 4 multiplied by a square into a square. Isn't it? Because we have a square here and a square in the second term. Now, plus into minus is minus 3 by 4 into 8 by 3. 3 by 4 multiplied by 8 by 3. First, I fixed the sign, then multiplying the numbers or the fractions. Then I am moving to the multiplication of algebraic values. A square multiplied by b square. A square multiplied by b square. Now, plus into plus is again plus 3 into 4 multiplication of the numerical terms into b square into a square. B square into a square. Next, plus into minus is minus 3 into 8 by 3. As I have fixed minus here, no need of taking it as minus 8 by 3. So 3 into 8 by 3 multiplied by b square into b square. B square multiplied by b square. B square multiplied by b square. Now let us finalize the multiplication. See, we can cancel this 4 and this 4 because numerator and the denominator. So the leftover number is 3. A square into a square is a power 4. Okay, next. Minus, I am moving to the second term, children. 3 and 3 can be cancelled and 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. Okay, so the number is 2. A square into b square, it is a square b square. A square b square. So we are done with second term. Now this third term. Plus 3 into 4, 12. B square a square, or we can write it as a square b square, because in multiplication we don't carry such problem. 3 into 4 is 12. B square multiplied by a square is b square a square or a square b square. Now minus this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. 8. B square into b square gives us b power 4. B power 4. Now here this one and this one are unlike terms, whereas these two are like terms. So the answer is going to be 3a power 4. Solve for the like terms, minus 2 plus 12, which gives us plus 10 a square b square, and the leftover term is minus 8 b power 4. Minus 8 b power 4. So hope you followed it, children. So 3a power 4 plus 10a square b square minus 8b power 4. So copy into your CWs carefully by observing the video. Now the second Roman of this exercise, second Roman 1, 2, 3 and 4 problems completely are going to be your homework for today, because even the second Roman is also about finding the product of binomial with a binomial. So you please do at home, complete second Roman in your homework book. Now we are moving to the third Roman of this exercise. So the third Roman is simplify x square minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5 plus 25. So first we have to do multiplication of the binomial with another binomial, then the result should be added to plus 25, because without resolving this product there is no chance of adding 25. Please be careful, don't directly add 25 to minus 5 plus 5 is 0, so 0 plus 25 is equal to plus 25, like that. Okay, if you see any multiplication, you have to resolve that multiplication of the respect to binomial or monomial or trinomial, then you have to add the result to the given value. So x square minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. So the first term is x square multiplied by x plus 5. Here the second term is minus 5 to be multiplied by x plus 5, and the leftover plus 25. Plus 25. Now look, x square multiplied by x gives us x cube, plus into plus is plus, x square into 5, 5x square or x square 5. Now minus into plus is minus, 5 into x gives us 5x, minus into plus is minus, 5 into 5, 25, and the leftover plus 25. Okay, as I am saying, whenever you see minus, then please be careful with the multiplication, children. I wrote minus 5x because minus into plus is minus. Here minus because minus into plus is minus. If there is no sign, we'll take it plus. Now, can we see? Now look, x cube plus 5x square minus 5x minus 25 plus 25. Now we can do addition or the subtraction whenever you see like terms. There is no like term for x cube, and similarly for x square and for x. Here we have minus 25 and plus 25, which can be cancelled, because minus 25 plus 25 gives us 0. Then the answer is going to be x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Adding 0 gives the same value, isn't it? So the answer is x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Okay, we'll continue this Roman tomorrow, children. Do the homework very carefully, because it will help you to understand the next concepts of this chapter. Have a great day.